Hey yo, welcome back to another banger video, and today I'm gonna talk about how much I pay a month on this car. Just get into it. First, I'm gonna talk about the options I got on the car. That way you guys understand. These are the options I got, right? So first, that's the wide body. Then we have the plus group. That's the second option. It comes with all of these options, bro. There's so many of them. And then we have the driver convenience. Navigation travel groups, which is the GPS navigation. That, I don't even know why I got it, but we got that on there, right? Next is the Harman Kardon audio. That is not bad. I like that. That was really good. Sounds good. And then we have the Cargonet and then power sunroof. That was $1,300, which is right there. And then last, we have the locking lug nuts and the satin hood, roof, trunk, spoiler, matte black. That's $3,500. With everything, the fees, tax, and interest, it ended up being 67,000 something, almost 70. Monthly payment I pay is $820 right now. It's not bad because the amount I put down on the car was like 1,000. So the car was in transit when I bought it, so I put 1,000 deposit fee so they wouldn't sell this car to somebody else, and that was what I ended up paying down, right? So I didn't put anything on top. Everything else was financed. This is one advice I would give you guys if you're thinking about buying a new car, and before you buy it, what you need to do is go to your bank, find a loan that has pretty good interest rate, because the dealer is going to give you a stupid, and it's not going to be a good loan, because the loans they give you is going to be high in interest. So the first loan I got had, I think, like almost 4% interest rate, which is stupid. You don't want to pay that. 4% is a lot, but even now it's probably different because interest rate's high, but 4% for a car is a lot. So my monthly payments initially was $930 a month, and then after like 6 months, I got my car refinanced, and that brought it down to $820. So $100 less. The interest rate I got on the new loan was 1.9. Another advice I would give you is get somebody that can co-sign for you, right? So if you have a good parent, just get somebody that can sign for you with a good credit, and make sure your credit is also good too. That way you get the best interest rate, right? Other than that, everything should be good. Main thing, good credit, have a cosign with a good credit, and that should give you a pretty good loan. But yeah, that's how much I pay a month. Then the insurance I pay is about $600 for this car, which is really good. So pretty much $100 a month, you can take it like that, right? So for 6 months it's $600. So that brings it to what, $920 now, if you consider the insurance. Gas, this car is horrible on gas. We don't talk about that. So gas is gonna add up, how you drive, how often you drive, but it does drain gas like crazy. Another thing is your property tax. South Carolina, we do have to pay property tax. You guys probably have to pay some kind of like the sticker that you put in the car or the license plate. Some states like Texas, you can pay it up front when you buy the car, but in South Carolina we have to pay it every year. So that tax is like, my first year tax was like $1,200, which is stupid, and then the second year went down to like $800, which was pretty good. So over the time it should keep going down. So the more you pay off the car, the better, because when you do pay the car off, the property tax is going to be less, right? Because on the Mustang it's completely paid off, and my property tax for that car is like $200, which is amazing. But that's it, man. That's the car. That's how much I pay. Want me to make some videos on how to get good credit? I can do that for you. Also, hey, any of you that live close to South Carolina, Greenville area, let me know, because I will be selling the steering wheel. It is flat bottom, it's heated. I'll probably sell it for maybe $400 or $350-ish. We'll talk about that, but if you're interested in it, just let me know. Hit me up on my Instagram at AJP Streets. You'll find me on Instagram. Hit me up if you want it, and I'll sell it to you, because we got something crazy coming. So stay tuned for that. Quick video on how much I pay a month on the Scat. So stay tuned. It's finna rain. I'm gonna head out. I'm waiting for the steering wheel to come in, because that's gonna be a crazy I can't wait for you guys to see it. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed. And hey, thank you so much, bro. We're finna hit 7,000 subscribers on YouTube. That blows my mind, bro. Thank you so much for all the support, because it's been pretty good. It's been amazing. We do have some haters, but I want that. The haters, we need it. I need them to feel me. Keep smashing that like button. Stay tuned. We're gonna bring some crazy videos. And yo, I'll see you in the next one. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Peace out.